The Little Duckling. Ducky was a little duckling. One day she was going for a swim. On her way, she saw a sparrow. Ducky looked up at the sparrow.
I wish I could sit up there.
You need strong feet like mine. Do you have strong feet?
Ducky looked down at her feet.
I cannot sit on the branch of a tree.
Ducky walked on. She came to an open field. She saw a rabbit hopping.
Hoppity, hop, hop, hop.
I wish I could hop like you.
You need long feet like mine. Do you have long feet?
Ducky looked down at her feet.
No, my feet are very short. I cannot hop like you.
Ducky walked on. She reached a farm. She saw a hen scratching for worms.
Cluck, cluck. I wish I could scratch for worms.
I use the sharp claws on my feet to scratch. Do you have sharp claws on your feet?
Ducky looked down at her feet.
No, I do not have sharp claws. I have flat feet. I cannot scratch for worms.
Ducky walked on. She saw Mother Duck swimming in the pond.
I wish I could swim like you.
Quack, quack. Come in and try.
Ducky went into the water. She started to swim.
Quack, quack. This is fun. My flat feet are so good. A sparrow cannot swim like this. A rabbit cannot swim like this. A hen cannot swim like this. I like my flat feet. Quack, quack.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.